उड़ो ऊंचा।
Short A beginning sound.
Have you seen this fruit? Yes, that's right. It's an apple. This apple is red. But did you know apples come in yellow and green colors as well? What about this thing? It's an arrow. An arrow is a shape that's used to point to something. It is an astronaut. An astronaut is a person who is specially trained to travel into outer space. A apple, a arrow, a astronaut. Today we are going to learn the sound of the letter A. Repeat after me. A. 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 Do you know there are so many things that begin with the sound A, like a ant. See, ants are walking in a queue. Can you see an alligator? Yes, it's right here. A alligator. Oh no! This alligator is so angry. Can you hear something? What's that noise? Oh, it's an aeroplane. A.
Like, share and subscribe.